Hello, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Science Enigma. Today, we have an absolutely fascinating topic to delve into, a celestial dance that has been unfolding for a staggering 4 billion years. Strap in, as we explore the intriguing story of 6 alien worlds that have been waltzing in perfect rhythm. In a groundbreaking discovery that could unlock the secrets of a common yet enigmatic class of planets. Astronomers have identified 6 sub-Neptune planets orbiting in a rare synchronized dance around a distant star. These planets, which are 2 to 3 times the diameter of Earth but smaller than Neptune, challenge our understanding of planetary systems as they do not exist within our own solar system. The planets were discovered by NASA's transiting exoplanet survey satellite, known as TESS. It is a remarkable star system with 6 planets unlike any in our solar system. The star, known as HG 110067, is located approximately 100 light-years away in the constellation Coma Berenices, and is about 20% less massive than our Sun. The 6 planets were detected by observing minute dimming of the star's brightness as each planet transited, or passed in front of, the star from our perspective on Earth. According to new research, all 6 planets orbit the same star in resonance with each other, following an unwavering rhythm that has lasted billions of years. What makes this discovery particularly intriguing? What makes HG 110067 truly extraordinary is the peculiar resonance among its planets. Their orbits are synchronized in such a way that they have remained stable for about 4 billion years. It's a mathematical beauty that adds an extra layer of mystery to this captivating discovery. Picture this: the outermost planet completes 1 orbit in the same time it takes the innermost planet to complete 6 orbits. The rest of the planets echo this rhythmic pattern, creating a cosmic dance unlike anything observed before. Let's dive into the intricate details of this cosmic waltz. The dance of ratios. The resonance within the HG 110067 system is a marvel of celestial mathematics, and each planet in the HG 110067 system has its own unique dance tempo. The planets exhibit ratios like 6 to 1, 3 to 2, 4 to 3, forming a celestial dance floor where each planet moves in harmony with its cosmic neighbors. From the innermost planet completing an orbit in 9.1 Earth days to the outermost planet taking 54.7 days. Each movement is part of an intricately choreographed cosmic ballet that has spanned billions of years. It holds the distinction of being the brightest star yet discovered to host more than 4 transiting planets. The brilliance of this star enhances the visual spectacle of the synchronized dance performed by its planetary entourage. These are definitely not Earth-like planets. Sub-Neptunes, the most commonly observed planets in our galaxy, remain enigmatic. With sizes ranging from 1.9 to 2.9 times Earth's diameter, they could be rocky worlds cloaked in thick atmospheres or a mix of rock and ice with warm, water-rich atmospheres. The newly discovered sub-Neptunes all boast substantial atmospheres, further fueling the puzzle of their fundamental nature. While none of the 6 planets lie within the traditional habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions might be right for liquid water and potentially life. They do possess atmospheres that could modify their surface temperatures, expanding the potentially habitable zone for such planets. Raphael Luque, lead author of the study and an astronomer at the University of Chicago, emphasized the importance of the James Webb Space Telescope in furthering our understanding of these planets. This discovery not only enriches our exoplanet catalog but also opens a window into the atmospheric composition and potential habitability of worlds unlike any found in our solar system. With the mighty JWST on the horizon, scientists are poised to delve deeper into the mysteries of sub-Neptunes, bringing us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? As we ponder the enigmatic resonance of HD 110,067's exoplanet Ballet, scientists are left with questions. What unseen forces have kept this celestial waltz in motion for billions of years? It's a cosmic puzzle that continues to captivate the minds of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. And there you have it, the celestial waltz of HD 110,067 synchronized planets, an awe-inspiring revelation in the realm of space exploration. If you're as fascinated by these cosmic dances as we are, give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and comment below with your thoughts. Until our next cosmic adventure, keep looking up.